Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's the second part of me doing Sydney's hair. Right now I am shampooing her hair. This is the second lather. The first one didn't lather well, but the second one, oh my god, come through. I am rubbing her scalp, making sure it gets all clean, and then I am going to condition her hair, and I'm using the Carol's Daughter, the Goddess Strength, because Sydney's hair, you know, is kind of weak and damaged, so this is the perfect line for it. This is not a sponsored video. I just love these products because they work on my hair and Sydney's hair, and they absolutely do wonders for us. So that's why I still buy it, and I'm going to put a generous amount on her hair, more and more and more, because Sydney's hair, because she has relaxed hair right now, but it's been a while since she got the relaxer, and her roots are really thick, so I'm making sure to put it on her roots and just make sure it hits every strand of hair. And we're going to concentrate right now on the steamer. I'm using this fabric steamer on my daughter's hair. Don't freak out. This is not the first time I've ever done this, but this is a $12 fabric steamer from Walmart. And I got the idea a while ago. I'm like, okay, you steam hair. A steamer is a steamer. So I'm just going to use this fabric steamer instead of using or buying a hair steamer, because they do the same thing. Okay. And her hair really needs it. She needs all the moisture she can get, because it's going to open up those pores, and it is going to allow that conditioner to penetrate her hair follicles, so all the moisture can be gathered in her hair, so she can have, this is a big nice moisture fest. And I even saw, like, because the relaxer didn't really take in the back, so it's more of a natural state in the back of her head around her nape. I seen some curls coming through back there, and I was like, okay, steamer. And for those of you who are like, why would you do that to your daughter? That is dangerous. Don't you worry. You just have to keep it away from your hair, like a perfect safe distance. Look at me. I'm showing you. I can put it on my face and it's not burning me or anything. But if you are scared to do this, don't do this at all. Go get a hair steamer or go to a professional. Don't do what I do, because I'm real safe with it. I make sure I unplug it, and because that's boiling water. Okay, and you never want to play with boiling water around a child or yourself. But anyway, and this even helps with elasticity. It can make your hair a little stronger. It can help with weak, damaged strands. And I would say I would do this once a month, or even like once every couple months. Some people say you can do it once a week, but Sydney's hair is already weak, so I just want to be safe. Now I'm going to put in a bunch of the Goddess Strength leave-in conditioner, because it's going to help strengthen her hair as well. It's all in the name. I have the products listed down below, and like I said, this is not sponsored. I just like telling y'all the real deal and what helps our hair. And then I'm going to put some oil all up in there, up and through it. I'm going to do it in sections: top, middle, and back. And like I said, Sydney's, her roots are really thick, and I'm debating if I want to do another relaxer or what on her hair, because you know all this stuff going on around about relaxers, and I don't know what to do. I'm a confused mama right now. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I want the best for Sydney. I want her hair to be beautiful and strong and moisturized and easy for us to do, but at what cost? So I don't know, y'all. And I'm just going to comb those ends. It was like some stragglies back there. I'm just going to detangle her hair again, because I did it yesterday, but you know, you got to go back in there and get all the tangles out, because I am about to use the good old Rev Air. The Rev Air is good for us because it is so easy to use. This is not sponsored either. It's easy to use. And it's fast. We like fast. Like Sydney had a play date. She called her friends. Well, her friend called her and was like, "Oh, when can you come outside?" And Sydney was like, "I'm about to get my hair done." And she was like, "Mom, when do you think I could be done?" And I was like, "Girl," I gave her a time, but I was like, "This is tentative and I don't know if it's going to happen that fast, but because we're going to get this done." But the Rev Air helps us with that. I make sure her hair is detangled, and then because her hair, it tangles up really quickly, I let her wear that ponytail to school, and I still have to, it's way better than yesterday, or day before yesterday, whatever day it was. And it still had so you can put it on like a warm setting. It's very warm. It's not hot. Or you can put it on a cool setting. And the first row was the warm setting. You can tell there's a big difference between the warm setting, and look how long her hair is. The warm setting and the cool setting. And I prefer it on the warm setting, because you can see in the next row that the cool setting, you have to leave it on there a little bit longer, then it doesn't dry as fast. And if you're in a rush, like we were in a rush because we had a life to live, we have a life to live, so we needed things to do. And you can take smaller sections, but I didn't do that because, like I said, we have things to do. It's Saturday, it's beautiful outside. Nobody wants to be in the house doing hair, so I took bigger sections, and on the cool setting, it just wasn't the best. And you can really tell the difference. And I'm going to sit and let you guys watch. And if you want this Rev Air and you want a percentage off, just go ahead and click the link in my description box, and you can use my code and you'll get something off there. But look how long her hair is, but her roots shriveled up, and it caused like shrinkage on the base of her hair. And you can tell that when I'm done and I start cutting, so you can tell that.
I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling, I'm in my feelings, Batman me and my dealings, ain't no bag I can taste, when I'm moving nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling, I'm in my feelings, Batman me and my dealings, ain't no bag I can taste, when I'm moving nobody can test me, man I really complex.
So here's me taking a big old section, making sure the section is fully detangled, grabbing the Rev Air. And of course, when you take smaller sections, you will get better results. But this is how we like it. We don't like sitting around. And Sydney loves her hair like that. She's like, "Oh, Mom, it looks nice like this," because she wants to go outside and play. But I'm like, "No, Sydney, we have another step to do after you get your hair cut. We have to actually style your hair." And she was like, "No, Mommy, no." So here's the Rev Air on warm heat. And then here's the last section right here. Detangle. Make sure it's really nice and the comb can go from roots to tips. Every time I hear roots to tips, it makes me think of Danielle from Next Top Model. I don't know. It was like season 6, when Danielle won with Jade on there. That was the funniest season. That is the best season. And this is off topic, but when they told Danielle her accent was too much, she had to change it, and she had to do the commercial, and she was like, from roots to tips. I think that's what she had to say. But anyway, here it is. Sydney is loving her hair. And now I'm just going to do a cut. Like, the comb can't even run through the base of her hair. I'm going to add some more oil so you can add some more shine to it. And I can't brush it like I want to because she's squirming and saying it hurts. So I think I'm going to have to give her a touch up. I don't know how Olaplex works, their line. So I'm going to try that first and see how that helps Sydney's hair before I even consider doing a touch up on her hair. We'll see. I don't know. I'm not making no promises because I changed my mind like we change your panties, okay? Every day. So anyway, I'm just going to show you guys how I do a quick trim on her hair. I wanted to go in more, but the fact that I couldn't really put the comb through her hair, like on the base of her hair, I didn't like that. And I didn't want to do a deep cut when I can't run the comb through her hair and make sure everything is even. So this is what I did. I thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you really like this video, share it for us. Thumbs up, because that really helps us. I'm trying to get back on my YouTube grind, and you guys, help me out. But I thank you guys for watching. If you haven't watched my videos, if you haven't seen me detangle her hair and see the state of how her hair was the other day, I'll put that above so you can click on it. But I thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Sydney's hair came out really well and she loved it. We loved it, and tomorrow we'll style it.
Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man a feeling so icy, vibesy. Man a bad man, you can call me YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up, see the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings, bad man me and my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me.
OmniBeats.com